Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download or install IQ Under Construction game for free via the Steam launcher. So without wasting time, here follow the steps. So open Steam, go to store, and inside the store search for the IQ Under Construction and then click on IQ Under Construction game. Then scroll down and here you will see get IQ Under Construction free to keep when you get it before 1st June. So you can see over here 100% discount. So click on add to account and then click to install now. And here you can see IQ Under Construction 1.24 GB. So click on install button. Now go to library and here you can see that IQ Under Construction game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following these steps, you can also download and install IQ Under Construction for free via the Steam launcher, and you can keep this game forever in your account if you download this game before 1st June 2026. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.